Krishna.
Prabhu, you mentioned that Uddhava was a Kanti devotee. But
Uddhava, yes.
When he went to Vrindavan, sent by Krishna, he saw the devotion of Brajvasis and Gopis.
Yes.
So their devotion was even higher.
Yes.
So they were also Ekanti devotees, or they were something else?
Yes, they were. They all the Vrajavasis are Ekanti devotees. The thing is, even amongst the pure devotees, there are gradations. Just like there are Narayanas, there are Narayana Parayanas. Amongst Narayana Parayana, there are further the gradations. There, the Ekanti Bhaktas are considered the highest. So amongst the Ekanti Bhaktas are also there are gradations. Those who are in Shantarasa, those who are in Dasya Rasa, those who are in Vatsalya Rasa, Sakhya Rasa, and then there are those who are in Madhurya Rasa. So those Ekanti Bhaktas who are in Madhurya Rasa are considered the topmost. And amongst those who are in Madhurya Rasa with Krishna also, there are two varieties. Those who are in Swakiya Rasa and those who are in Parakeya Rasa. Those in Parakeya Rasa are considered even higher. And amongst those who are in Parakeya Rasa, there are two groups. One headed by Chandravali, another headed by Radharani. Out of all of them, 8 gopis are considered even greater. And out of those 8 gopis, Radharani is the highest. So we can see even amongst them, there are various gradations. Unlimited amount of gradations are possible.